Who did it poop?
You can do it! Yeah!
Nice.
Come on in. Good girl. Come in. Oh my god.
Castaways, we are castaways.
Katy, ¿qué te pasó?
My name's Taylor.
Excuse me, sir. Do you have your ID? Uh-oh.
Happy birthday to you.
Whoa!
The heck is that?
Look at bud, look how easy it is. Please don't bite me. Please don't you fucking.
Salong! Good pwede kita!
Is he gonna go for a walk?
There you go.
There's normal dogs. And then there's Bella.
No, I just want to go to sleep. Steven. No!
Can I clip your nails? Hey, look at all these wieners. Hi, wieners!
They taught this son of a bitch how to drive. Holy shit. Sam, what you doing? You got a hot dog, buddy?
Go get daddy.
Yeah, let's just keep
What the hell?
Next summer, you're gonna be wearing a string.
Bark at your dog.
Can you sit down and listen? No. No? Oh my god! Look. Bah! I think my dog's broke, y'all.
Love. Oh, kisses.
You nasty hoe. Wow.
I want the other one.
Can I get a few words?
Move your nose.
Bruno, what the fuck?
They stop. They stop. I said stop.
He found out he was deathly scared of balloons.
Yeah, I got you. I got this on camera.
Only difference between life and death. Can I pet that dog? Nope.
Excuse me, sir.
Sit.
Do you want a food?
Going for...
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Don't tell her.
Oh, too loud.
Too loud. Good boy.
Bro, why this dog head so skinny?
Connor, just go back to sleep. Thank you.
Come bring your brother. Let's go. Oh my god.
What are you doing?
No. Relax.
Speaker died. He's going crazy.
You have one job. Look behind you.
Cora!
Shake.
Adele! I think I like this.
Make sure everything was okay.
Gigi, that's not nice.
You bad.
No, stop it. Even it out.
No,
Betty.
no.
What the fuck?
High five. Too slow.
What?
Alright, Sam, do your worst.
You were right in my face. Come here, baby. Oh my goodness.
Christ, only again. That isn't a stick.
Bella, you got that dump truck.
Talk to me. Oh.
They taught this son of a bitch how to drive. Holy shit.
Can I get a few words?
No. No.
Oh my god. JJ. No, don't smell it again. Oh gosh, now you got two.
Hi, Sesame. Wrigley, come
Wrigley.
here. Wrigley.
No. Gracie, get down.
Excuse me, sir.
Come on, we're gonna walk away.
Oh my gosh. What the heck? Why?
Brandy!
Well, okay. No.
Look at Mama. Look at Mama.
What are you doing?
Oh!
Stop! What the?
Hi. Oh my god.
Don't spoil my mirror. Don't spoil my mirror.
How you feel about getting tricked?
Oh!
It actually. Oh!